Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Swedish mulled wine using a bottle of, this is called Mulling Spices and Fruit Flavored Drink. It's from Ikea. So if you live near an Ikea, this is a great one that you can grab. You may be able to find other brands in the store. So Swedish mulled wine is pronounced different ways, and I'm sure someone will be able to correct me and tell me the right way. Some people say glögg, some people say glögg, some people say glögg. So that's what we're going to make today. And if you are Swedish, please correct me and let me know which is the proper way to say it, right? Because you always want to make sure you're saying things properly. So I appreciate you guys joining me today. I'm going to show you Pampered Chef's wine opener and also our cast iron Dutch oven. We're going to put all of this together on a very low temp because we don't want to cook out the alcohol if you're wanting to make this in an alcoholic drink. Of course, if you want to make it non-alcoholic, you would eliminate the red wine and you can maybe get a couple of bottles of the mulled fruit drink from Ikea. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to feature Pampered Chef's Dutch oven today, and I love cooking with the Dutch oven because it is such a beautiful piece. It's very versatile because you can start something on the stove, finish it up in the oven if you like. I personally like this because I have an induction stovetop, and not all cookware works on an induction stovetop. So if you're watching this and you have an induction stovetop, I would love to share Pampered Chef's cast iron with you. The really cool thing about this product is it has a self-basting lid. So these little nodules on the top of the lid actually redirect the steam from whatever you're cooking back into your pan. So for today, we don't need the lid. So I'm gonna set this aside. We're gonna mix everything in our Dutch oven, and I'm actually gonna grab some apple cider. I left that in the fridge and forgot to grab that out. So we're gonna add some of that as well. We are going to start off by getting all of our bottles open. So the first one's really easy. This is just a screw cap. So I'm gonna put this on a low temperature here and add in our mulling. Like I said, it's called VINTERSAGA. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong too, but oh, it smells so good. I love that I can smell the cinnamon. We're gonna pour this into our Dutch oven. And of course, you could double and triple this recipe if needed. This is a very large pot. For today, I'm just doing equal parts of the drink and equal parts of wine. So, excuse me. So I'm gonna use Pampered Chef's wine opener for this, and I love that our wine opener comes with this stand on the bottom, and this doubles as a foil cutter. So you can put this right on top of the bottle, give it a squeeze, twist all the way around, and it's going to cut the foil off of the bottle. This is also a stand for storing and for charging. So when this is charging, you plug it in with the power cable that comes with it, and it will light up blue while it is charging. Excuse me. To open this, you're going to take your wine opener, place it on top of the bottle, and you're going to just press the down button, and you can see this is going down into the bottle. It's taking that cork right out. I love the window because you can see where you are. And to take the cork out of the wine opener, you're going to press the up button, and it will give it right back to you. This is a great gift for a birthday, Christmas, wedding, any occasion, right? And today I am going to be using Cabernet Sauvignon, but you could use any red wine that you have on hand or that you would like to use. So equal parts of the wine and the VINTERSAGA drink that I'm using from Ikea. And remember, you do not want this to get super hot because you don't want to cook off the alcohol if you're wanting to make this an alcoholic drink. So I've got one bottle of wine, one bottle of the mulling spice drink. I'm going to add in some apple cider. I'm just going to estimate here, probably about a cup of apple cider, give or take. And then I'm going to add in a few other things here. I'm going to take a cinnamon stick, toss that in there. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Pampered Chef's Cinnamon Plus Spice Blend. So depending on when you're watching this video, this may or may not be available. And if it's not, you can substitute this for any pumpkin pie spice. I'm also going to add some of Pampered Chef's Double Strength Madagascar Vanilla. I'm going to do a teaspoon, and this is also an item that's not available year-round. So depending on when you're watching this, this product may not be available, but you can substitute regular pure vanilla extract for that. And I just have a ladle here. I'm just going to sort of toss this around a little bit. And like I said, you just want to heat this I'm gonna grab a whisk really quickly. You just wanna heat this until it's nice and hot. So let me grab a whisk to whisk in that cinnamon. It's sort of floating on the top. So I'm gonna use our sauce whisk and just sort of whisk this on the top because it kind of went in a clump almost. So smells so good. And you can make this ahead of time. If you're not ready to serve it immediately, you can go ahead and cook it and then let it cool off, and then you can reheat it when you're ready to serve it. You can do that in a slow cooker, crock pot, Pampered Chef's quick cooker. Just remember you want to use a low heat. So if you're using Pampered Chef's quick cooker, I would recommend the warm setting, and you can put it on warm, and it just leave it long enough and it should warm up to the right temperature because you don't want this super hot either. I'm gonna toss in some fresh cranberries, and I rinsed these in our Easy Read measuring colander, and these are fresh cranberries. So I just measured out 1 cup, rinsed and drained them right in the Easy Read measuring colander. And then I can just take a twisted clip and close this back up, put it in the fridge or the freezer for the next recipe. Another thing that I want to add to this, because it's going to make it look so pretty, are some dehydrated orange slices. And I have another video on my channel that shows you how to make these, but these are really cool because these are edible, even the rind. So I coated these in, I'm going to pick the prettiest ones to put in here. I made these in, I coated them in a coconut palm sugar, and these are Cara oranges. So they're a little darker than your typical navel orange. So that is pretty much it. When you are ready to serve this, you're gonna just get yourself a nice mug, get yourself a ladle, and scoop that right out. This is smelling so good right now in my kitchen. So I hope that you guys will also try this recipe. Obviously this is something that you would wanna make around the holidays. So if you happen to be catching this at another time of the year, you may not be able to find the mulled spice drink from Ikea, but when you are ready to make this at the holidays, I hope that you'll try it. Let me know what you think, and as always, please use the comments. I'm more than happy to answer any questions for you. If you see anything that you'd like to purchase in this video, I would love the opportunity to be your consultant. As a consultant with the Pampered Chef, I do earn commission on the products that I sell, and you can find all of my information at theflipflopchef.com. Be sure to join the recipe group right from that page, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Have a great day.